How to make Python script to give sudo prompt my password. I'm writing a script in Python 3.6 that uses many sudo commands. The script runs on Linux machines, as my user. The script is creating a sort of a report, doing SSH to many servers and running commands like lsof. I need a way of making Python give my password anytime I use sudo. Obviously in the first time I'll enter my password, and it can be saved in the script's memory. I've been using Python subprocess to run my sudo commands, for example. Is it possible? Constraints. Rootkit is not allowed. Running the script with sudo is not an option, since the script does SSH to many servers, and for security reasons I'm not allowed to do so. Can't change anything in sudo's file.
Spent some hours to figure out how to do it with subprocess. So enjoy.
I suggest you use Python's pexpect module, which does just that. It's based in expect and used to automate interactions with other programs. It's not part of the Python standard library, mind you, but you do not necessarily need root to install it if you create your own Python environment. Example. More details can be found here. This URL. Hope this helps.
The following answer performs 3 attempts to verify the access. Check if the current user is root. Call sudo without providing password. Ask the user for a password and call sudo. The calls to sudo invoke the echo command and check the same test that is supposed to be printed by echo, the word OK.
Because you want to give your Python script the sudo password, so I think that's better for create a new user group and set up this group to your script files. Your script does not require sudo password anymore, still have sudo permission. Note, my answer tested on Ubuntu 14.04, another Linux version should be the same. If you are signed in as the root user, you can create a new user at any time by typing or. If your new user should have the ability to execute commands with root administrative privileges, you will need to give the new user access to sudo. We can do this by using the vsudo command, which opens the appropriate configuration file in your editor. This is the safest way to make these changes. Or search for the line that looks like this. Below this line, copy the format you see here, changing only the word root to reference the new user that you would like to give sudo privileges to. Use chown to change ownership of your Python script. After that, you could run your script under sudo permission without the password. Note, I suggest you this way because you want to put your sudo password into source code. However, please careful with your script. It has more powerful.
I think you should do it by using Paramiko library. Make sure you install Paramiko before importing it. Check this. Below is a sample code. Test it before you use it.
Sudo.